Let's check out my trunk of thrift finds.
Look at this super cute
Little Teapot I bought at the thrift store.
for $2.99. Now, it was missing the lid.
But I am going to show you how to repurpose this. I looked up online how to clean copper, and I found a recipe where you mix equal parts lemon juice and baking soda. So I have my tablespoon here, and I thought for this little project I would just need a tablespoon of each, so that's what I'm going to do. I am going to put 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice into a small glass bowl here. I am squeezing it out to make sure we get a full tablespoon. Placing the lemon juice into the bowl. Next, I will be putting a tablespoon of baking soda into the bowl with the lemon juice. Watch it foam up. Isn't that so cool? I am now going to mix the lemon juice and the baking soda together to make a paste per the recipe I found. I am just making sure to mix it well. Okay, we are ready to clean our cute little copper teapot. Taking off the Goodwill tag or sticker, and sometimes these things are so hard to get off as they always leave residue. I got it off the best I can. I am just using a wet wash rag now to get the rest of the sticker or residue off of the copper pot so that we can clean it with our recipe that we just made. The sticker has been removed. We are ready to clean it. We have our paste and our copper pot. Dipping my wash rag into the paste. Now to begin cleaning the pot. The instructions for cleaning the copper pot or any copper states that to make sure to use a soft cloth. I think I cleaned it pretty good. Now we just rinse it off. Shaking off the excess water and placing it on a kitchen towel to dry. So now what do we do with our cute little teapot, short and stout? Here's my handle and here's my spout. I loved singing that as a kid. So one of the ways I'm going to show you how to use this little teapot, I got these flowers at one of my other favorite stores, which is the Dollar Tree. And I picked this Alstroemeria out because of the colors in the flower had the copper color like in the teapot. So I thought this would make a cute little arrangement. And I'm just going to use some yellow tissue paper that I had to stuff inside the teapot. I will next place our flowers inside of the teapot on top of the tissue paper. I will adjust the flowers as I see fit and that I think will look pretty. I think I like it this way. Now let's see it staged. Look how pretty this is. The pot only costs $2.99 and the flowers $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and look what we have. It's so beautiful. And if you want something more functional and you don't want to use it as a decoration or home decor, use it functionally as a water pot or watering can for your flowers. I am watering my daughter's basil. What a great thrift find.